Hey everyone, Mr. Steckler here. So I want to show how to use PowerPoint Translator. So PowerPoint Translator is a add-in for Microsoft PowerPoint that will let you translate into any language. In order to use it, you have to have installed the Translator by simply going to Microsoft and Googling Presentation Translator. The first link will then allow you to download this add-on, and once downloaded, it will be in PowerPoint, and it will be in the slideshow tab where it has this little icon of blue and green called Start Subtitles. If you were to click this, it will then ask you what language will you be speaking. I'm currently speaking in English, and I'm going to display the subtitles in. It has many languages to choose between: Haitian Creole, Spanish. I'm going to choose Spanish for this example. And then it has the option of customizing speech recognition, which will then learn from your slides. I tend to keep this off just because I want it to start immediately, like so. If I were to wait, it would take maybe a couple of minutes to load. So now that I'm in presentation mode, this first slide will pop up. You'll see the subtitles appearing below, and this QR code, if a student were to scan it, can then get these subtitles appearing on their own individual phone or iPad or device. This way, even if you were to close the presentation and the subtitles were to stop, then the students would still be seeing these words on their PowerPoint or on their device. Now, I could, after stopping the presentation, keep this running, and I could have something else running at the same time, such as I could have an internet open, and I could be working and showcasing this and have all of the translations going on up top. Or you can go back into PowerPoint and you can go into what you were working on in your full screen mode, and you start this up again, and then you can see all of it in your presentation. So this is PowerPoint Translator. I think it's really powerful. I also think that it's important to note that if you decide to use the subtitle settings over here and you click the language and you switch the language over here, if I want this one to be in Portuguese, I could have always use subtitles on, and I can use more than one language. So by starting the presentation by using this subtitle and that, the bottom will have Spanish, and over here we'll have Portuguese. So you can use two languages in a presentation, and you also can have the presentation translator, this language, appear on any person's device or iPad. So that's how you guys use Presentation Translator. It's fantastic. I love using it. My students definitely benefit from it, and I hope you guys like it too. So slideshow, subtitles, and it's a quick download from the internet. When you Google Presentation Translator, download. Perhaps the district has to do it, but on your own personal device you can do it. The last thing to be aware of is this is only on the desktop version of PowerPoint for now. Until next time, guys.